In this video, I will show you the exact steps required to clear out all the notes from your notebook within NotebookLM. If you have been using this powerful tool for a while, you probably know that your workspace can get cluttered quite quickly as you generate more ideas. To get started with the cleanup process, you need to open your specific notebook workspace where your projects are stored. Once you are inside the interface, take a moment to look at the main center dashboard or check the right-hand panel. This is the area where all of your saved notes, sometimes referred to as the studio or saved responses, are displayed for you to view. Now, it is important to understand how the system works. As of right now, NotebookLM does not actually feature a Select All checkbox for your notes. This means that if you want to wipe the slate clean, they must be removed one by one manually. While this might take a moment if you have a lot of content, the process itself is very straightforward and easy to follow. First, simply hover your mouse over the very first note card you want to delete from your collection. When you do this, you should see 3 vertical dots or a small trash can icon appear in the top right corner of that specific note. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the options menu, and then simply select the delete button. You will need to repeat this quick process for every single note remaining in your list. Just keep clicking and deleting until the panel is finally empty and your workspace is completely refreshed. It is a simple way to manage your digital space and stay organized while you work on new projects. By following these steps, you can ensure your manual notebook stays tidy and focused on your most current goals. It only takes a few minutes to clear everything out and start your next research session with a totally blank canvas.